on, guys? I'm Jason and this is Lavish Car Reviews, back with another video for you. So today we are up at Niced Up Motorsports and we got a beautiful car on the dyno. It's a Camaro SF.
What you got there?
Look at that right there, man. This is nice. Got all the red accents in there on the engine. I'm not a Camaro guy, but I like this car.
You can probably go around right here. They're the short ones. These are going to have to probably go to the outside.
Outside ones?
Otherwise, it's going to hit the splitter. So you got, Jason, give me the wheel, the small wheel thing.
Small wheel thing? I'm gonna go. I think it'll give it 4 something.
I think 405.
I'm gonna go 398 just because.
Alright.
Similar, like 408.
408?
Yeah, 408. Yeah.
408.
So 398.
Alright, you heard it first. 408. So he's got 398. He's got 408.
408.
I got 408.
What about the torque?
CJ said somewhere around that area. So
What about the torque specs?
torque specs. I'm gonna go 360 torque.
I give 4 torque.
4 torque? Nah, they
390.
390?
390.
380. I'm going 380. 380. 380 torque. 380 torque, 398 wheel.
So it could be higher than this horsepower. I don't see it.
380 torque, 408 wheel. That's my final number.
How about? We'll see.
I should be right at that number.
400?
No.
500?
Yeah.
Alright.
Should be.
Might have to test you one day.
They should be right at it. Today would have been a good day to do it. It's not humid and it's cool as hell. A Honda?
Yeah, it might have a Honda for you.
Better have a good tire.
Oh, you bring my secret out, man.
See?
See all you Mustang guys?
300 horsepower Honda.
Nah, 700. 700.
700 horsepower Honda?
Yeah.
Can it hook?
I'm gonna put. It'll be hooking.
It hook?
It'll hook.
All right. Do it.
Just set a 4.
So? Yeah, because you're a customer already.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a good price. They already contacted? Back? Good deal. So this puppy right here, she's about to get tuned. And she's going to make 200 wheel. I'm just playing. So.
Alright, so this is not a Nissan.
I got a Nissan outside if you want to tune in. Sentra.
It's a Chevrolet.
Get about 130 wheel.
This is a Camaro. Zeta
Damn, these things got some nice ass dashes too.
Who owns this? David Mitchum.
Nice car. Look at that dashboard right there. Man. It's a pretty nice car. I like them. They look good. They just like sit. Only thing with them is though, like when you're sitting in it, it feels like you're sitting in a bathtub because the door is so high.
We've raced like 8 times.
Yo. What was the outcome?
You put a 100 shot on it.
You gonna need it.
Put a 100 shot on it.
You gonna need it. They said you gonna need all of it.
Oh, look at that. Look.
You gonna spin your tires though. That's what you gonna do.
I'm ordering some regular.
You gonna put a 100 shot on it? And when is this? June 6th?
June 6th. I got like 2 weeks.
I might.
So who you racing against June 6th?
You.
See, but what's not? I'm gonna tell you the unfair.
And Steve gonna give me the
C gonna give me the hit and the back tire.
See, when I race though, if I have
No, versus the
First of all, I want to race you before you even do anything. Before
Well,
you even put anything on that, I want to race you.
what's the unfair part is that if I do race a G8 and I have the extra stuff I want to put on it, he's gonna be the one to put it on there. You ever thought about that? Like,
If you show up, if you show up power adder, I'm showing
You'll
up.
have a cam and tune and.
now we know you gonna put a little nitrous plate underneath. Flip the plate. Look, flip the plate over and spray it from the bottom.
If you show up on boost, I'm showing up on boost. Straight like that. How many days I got?
Well, what you got? You got cam, you got headers, and the tune and exhaust.
You show up with a Pro Charger on, right? But with the belt off though, just in case. Then you put that belt on.
Now we got Dyno first before we get to this.
Jason, don't show up the B-mount on the set. I'm fucking you up, man.
Oh, I'm coming to get a piece of that too.
You know what? I got something for that ass.
I'm gonna get me a tire. That's what I need to go get. I'm gonna get me a tire. Give me a tire.
No, it don't.
Look, it's a lot of mess going on over here. It's a lot of mess going on over here. And so far, these are the numbers you got out of it. Pretty good numbers for a bone stock Camaro. 415. What is it? 415, 398 torque. Nice healthy curve, except for like right there. Right there. And it just falls flat on his face right right there, like 6,800. 6,800 just falls on his face.
The torque is crazy, man.
It's got crazy torque though. Like the torque is like
instant.
whoop.
Yeah.
You can see it too when it's squat, like the torque, like it got a lot of torque. Sick. For a bone stock Camaro. Can't go wrong. And it's an auto. It's not bad for an auto. So you figure if it was a manual, it'd probably make about 430. 435 maybe. Maybe more.
The auto's a better transmission. This got the same transmission again.
Straight line. He's dead serious. We can't show you the computer screen, but we can definitely show you the hand movement. But, I mean, it's not bad for bone stock. That torque curve is crazy though.
I mean, mine is
It just shot up like.
Mine is kind of similar,
Yeah.
but not right up to like 400.
I mean seems like a healthy. I was just wondering what all that was, but like it's probably just a burn off. It stinks.
When he started up over here, reversed it back, it was smoking a little bit in the front anyway.
Yeah.
Whatever is up here, you put the exhaust a little bit.
412 torque. Not bad. That's what? That's just almost your torque. Almost your torque. They call 415. He nailed it right on. You said 415 or 408?
No, I said 4.
Who said?
I said 415 at first, then they dropped it to 408.
Okay, so
I think we both.
it made 415,
We both said high, and then I was like,
and y'all both went 408.
and then since no, because 390 foot on the torque. 390 foot on the torque.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said 398 too. The first time for torque.
And then I changed mine.
My torque was on.
I said, okay, I'll go low. So
Right.
I'm winning right now. You're winning there. You're winning right now.
Yeah. Unless he's gonna squeeze some more out of it, you know. So if he gets a little more out of it, then he might get 420 wheel. He might get touch. That thing's smoking like a freight train, though, man. Yeah.
Can you pick up the car? Yeah. All right. Hey, guy, right there. Now you got it. How many else?
No. It's nice though.
Yeah. I'm not a big Camaro fan, but that thing was sharp.
That's a good color, right?
I like it. Yeah.
This is crazy. It makes 420 horse and
What did I say
423
I did say it have more
torque.
horsepower.
It's got almost the same torque and the same horsepower. That's crazy. That's run number 1, run number 2, 3, and 4. So on the first one it made 415, 398. Second run it made 415, 412 torque. On the third run it made 416, 425 torque. And on the fourth run it made 420, 423 torque. 420 horsepower and 423 torque. I guess he's cleaning it up a little bit. He said the tune looks solid. So I guess that's probably all we're gonna get out of that. Maybe a little bit more. So I mean, bone stock Camaro with I just looked over there too. It's actually got Kooks long tube headers on it. So yeah, it's got long tubes on it. Probably high flow cat long tubes. Maybe that's probably what we were smelling was the new headers. Yeah, he said he just got them on.
Oh yeah.
So that's like how mine was when it stunk.
Yeah.
Oh, it smelled awful. That's what it was. Yeah. He just heated them up. So with the natural oils and stuff, that's I guess that they put from manufacturing. That's what it was smelling. Because I was over there dying. I was like,
oh yeah.
Oh. So there you have it, guys. Bone stock Camaro with Kooks long tube headers. If we do another run, I'll report back to you guys. If not, that's it. That's all. I can't get no focus, but it's all good. You saw it already, so I mean, it ain't much more to see. I mean, bone stock Camaro. So, oh, there's the focus. Came back. So, CJ's over there turning off all the engine codes and stuff. He said whoever in the tune did the tune didn't turn off the engine codes. So he's got like check engine lights everywhere, and yeah, it's like a Christmas tree in there, so he's fixing it up. But he said he might be able to squeeze a little bit more out of it. If he does run that car again though, we'll turn the camera back on. But for now, this is Lavish Car Reviews. I'll catch you in the next video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because if you don't, I'm gonna send him after you.
Oh, not me.